let's make a classic Chinese-American fast food takeout orange chicken.
In a mixing bowl, I have my bite-sized chicken thighs. To this, garlic powder. I like to add chicken bouillon or chicken stock. A splash of Shaoxing Wine. I crack in 2 eggs. Give this a mix. Next, add in cornstarch. Just want to get each piece to be well coated. Cover with saran wrap and let this refrigerate for 10 to 15 minutes. So you just place a bamboo skewer. When it bubbles around the bamboo, then it is ready. Or you can fry this at 355 to 365. And now, put in our chicken. You don't want them to stick together, so kind of space them out. Gently place them in there. And cook. You want to fry this till it's golden brown or 5 to 7 minutes. Go ahead and remove and place on a cooling rack. Once it cools down, we're gonna double fry it to get it extra crispy. Depending on your stovetop, 375 to 380. Now that's really hot, let's reintroduce this back to the frying pan.
Fry for the next 2 to 3 minutes. Once complete, set aside for later use. On high heat, add oil to wok or frying pan. Next, add in minced garlic and grated ginger. Give this a stir. Once fragrant, add in your orange juice. Next, add in sugar, soy sauce, and honey. Stir and combine well. Let this simmer and reduce for 4 to 6 minutes. The sauce will continue to thicken. Once you get some color and notice the sauce has thickened, reintroduce your battered chicken to your wok or pan. Gently toss and combine well. Make sure everything is coated with the sauce. Once complete, drizzle some sesame oil to give it an extra glaze. And lastly, top it off with some sesame seeds. Orange chicken is a classic Chinese-American dish. You can find this at almost all Chinese fast food restaurants. The flavors are savory, tangy, acidic from the orange juice. The thick sauce just hangs on so well to the juicy battered chicken. Paired up with some jasmine rice, it is a match made in heaven. Thank you so much for watching. If you guys are new to my channel and you enjoyed this video and you want to see more, support me by hitting that subscribe button. Let me know what you guys want me to make next, and I also food blog in SoCal. Wow, look at that. Follow for more.